Hey guys, so here's how you're going to add a PayPal button on your WIX website. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over to your WIX website editor. And then once you're here on your WIX website editor, what you're going to do is to hit on this Add Elements button. It may show up as a plus icon. And then from here, just click on this button right here. And then among all the button options that you have, just click on this PayPal buttons, which you may see under payment buttons. You actually have two options here. You may click on PayPal Buy or the PayPal Donate. So for me, I'm just going to click on this Buy Now, and then I'm going to drag it over to my page. So, and then let's just, drag it over here and place it wherever we want to. Once you find a place where you want to place this PayPal button, what you're going to do is to hit on this add PayPal information. And then here you're going to add all the PayPal settings, all your PayPal information to receive the payment. So basically this is required for you because this is where you're going to receive. So you're going to add your PayPal email, your product name, the price, the currency, and the ID number. And then once you're done and you're satisfied, once you have added all the PayPal settings and information that you have, just make sure that it's all correct so that all the payments are going to go in your account. After that, just exit this window right here, click on save, and then publish your website. And that's it.